Do you know who? Remember that a subordinate clause can never be an interrogative. The italicized words in the following sentences form subordinate clauses. Study their form carefully. 1. Who are those people? Do you know who those people are? Correct. Do you know who are those people? Incorrect. 2. Where does he live? I don't know where he lives. Correct. I don't know where does he live. Incorrect. 3. Why did she go there? Do you know why she went there? Correct. Do you know why did she go there? Incorrect. Note that in each of the above sentences, the subordinate clause begins with WH word, which serves as a link between the principal clause and the subordinate clause. But in a yes or no question, the linking word has to be if or whether. For example, 1. Is Jack at home? We can also write this sentence in these ways using if and whether. Do you know if Jack is at home? Is equal to, do you know whether Jack is at home? 2. Have they got a car? Can you tell me if they've got a car? Is equal to, can you tell me whether they have got a car? 3. Did Bala tell the truth? Do you know if Bala told the truth? Do you know whether Bala told the truth? The principal clause can be in any form, affirmative, interrogative, or imperative. But a subordinate clause must be in the affirmative only. Principal clause, subordinate clause. Affirmative. I know where he lives. Affirmative. Imperative. Tell me where he lives. Affirmative. Interrogative. Do you know where he lives? Affirmative. Affirmative. I asked him if he had a car. Affirmative. Imperative. Ask him if he has a car. Affirmative. Interrogative. Did you ask him if he had a car? Affirmative. We can use who, how, what, when, where, which, and why as linking words to join the principal clause with the subordinate clause. Who means which persons. For example, 1. I don't know who she was talking to. 2. Can you guess who has done it? How means in what way. For example, 1. Look how I have done it. 2. I told him how he could open the safe. What means which thing. For example, 1. Tell me what she was talking about. 2. I wonder what he wants from me. When means at what time. For example, 1. Tell me when you will be coming. 2. I have no idea when she will marry. Where means at in or to what place. For example, 1. Do you know where he is going? 2. I can't tell you where you can find him. Which means what one or ones out of a group. For example, 1. I showed her which books she should buy. 2. I have no idea which way they will be coming. Why means for what reason. For example, 1. Tell me why you have done it. 2. I don't know why she is so late. WH words plus to infinitive. When the subject of both the clauses in a complex sentence is the same, we can use a to infinitive in place of the subject and the verb in the subordinate clause. For example, 1. I don't know which book I should take. We can write this sentence in this way also. I don't know which book to take. 2. She doesn't know where she can get this book. Is equal to, she doesn't know where to get this book. 3. I shall tell her how she can make good coffee. Is equal to, I shall tell her how to make good coffee. Note that we can use an infinitive only for future time. We can't use it for a past action. For example, 1. I don't know how I could help her. 2. She doesn't remember where she had met him. We can't write the above sentences with a to infinitive because they refer to past time.